Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.5, Problem 25. This is Section 2.5, Problem 25. It says a standard sheet of paper is 8.5 inches wide. If you fold it into 4 equal width columns, how wide would each column be? So, what you would do is take the width of 8.5 inches and divide it by 4 for the 4 columns, and you'll see how wide each column would be. So to do this division, first I have to convert the 8.5 into an improper fraction. So to do that, I will multiply the denominator times the whole number in front. So I will multiply 2 times 8, which is equal to 16. And then I'll take the result of that and add to the numerator. I will add 16 plus one more for the numerator, which is 17. So 8.5 can be written as 17 over 2 divided by 4. Let me write the 4 as 4 over 1. Now I have a numerator and a denominator for both fractions. So now I will keep the first fraction the way it is. 17 over 2 will stay 17 over 2. I will change the division to a multiplication, and I will invert the second fraction. The 4 over 1 will invert or flip to 1 over 4. Now at this point, see if you can pre-reduce anything. The 17 and the 4 won't reduce, the 17 and the 2 won't reduce. Again, 2 and 4 reduce, but they're both denominators, so I can't reduce those. I'd have to have one in the numerator, one in the denominator in order to reduce. Since they're both in the denominator, they will not reduce. So I can just multiply top times top, or numerator times numerator. 17 times 1 is 17. And then denominator times denominator, or bottom times bottom, 2 times 4 is 8. So I have 17 over 8. And that is the answer, but it might be nice to write it as a mixed number, a whole number with a fraction. So in order to do that, I will divide the denominator, which is 8 for this particular example, into the numerator, which is 17 for this example. So 8 divides into 17, it'll go in 2 times. 2 times 8 is 16. 17 minus 16 is 1. That's the remainder. The remainder will be the numerator of my mixed number, and the number that was the denominator will remain the denominator, in this case 8. So I could state the answer is 17 over 8 inches, or an equivalent answer would be 2 1/8 inches. That's how wide each column would be if you fold a standard sheet of paper into 4 equal width columns.